Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paulina or Travel with Thu. On this channel, I talk about travel info or how you can immigrate to different countries without using a traveling consultant or an agent. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and put your bell icon on so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena, and thank you for always coming back, supporting me by liking and also sharing my content out there. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about Workaway. I've been getting a lot of questions about Workaway thing, and I really needed to give some more info on how it works and all you need to know about it. So Workaway is a website where you go looking for, where host families looks for Workaway. These are people who wants to travel abroad to volunteer or to stay with them while doing something else. In return, you get free food, free accommodation. Most of the time you don't get paid because you're going to volunteer. It's not even like au pair or other volunteering program in other countries where you go, maybe you get some money in return for the exchange, the cultural exchange. For Workaway, most of the time you don't get any money in return, but you do get what free accommodation, free food, maybe access to Wi-Fi and all that. So it's just a chance for anyone who wants to go and travel to new places and experience new culture and all that. So it has like more than 100 countries that you can travel to using Workaway, and it's really easy to like get into the website and work your way out to traveling abroad. And all you need to do is just go to the website, and there is membership fee. So if you're going as a group, maybe you want to go with your friend, or if you're traveling with your fiance, your husband, your wife, like if you're going two of you, you need to pay 50, is it 59? I will take you through the website and you'll get to see the membership fee just to be sure. And if you're going as a solo person, if you're planning to go wherever you want to find a host family and travel as an individual, you need to pay $49 US per year. So it's I guess it's fair enough. It's fair enough. And after the membership fee, you need to create a profile, or your profile, same as au pair, but a bit not the same, but almost the same thing, where you talk about yourself, you state your availability, the kind of host family that you're looking for. And the good thing, you can first search for host family, then create your profile to what the host family want, and email them, reach out to them. But you need to reach out to as many host family as you can, because some will not reply to you, some will reply to you, maybe telling you you've gotten someone else, and you might be lucky to get a host family, and you can choose over 5 countries that you want or you're planning to travel to. For example, in your profile, you can include France, you can include Thailand, you can include any country, the countries that are available, that Workaway is available, and then search for the host family. And luckily, you might get lucky and find a host family and immigrate or travel to the country that you want to on a low budget. because it's low budget. You don't have to worry about your accommodation, you don't have to worry about your food, and you get to experience the new culture or travel to places that you never thought that you'll ever go to. So with Workaway, you have to pay for your visa, you have to pay for your ticket and all that. So again, you need to have money. So if you fall under that category, or you would be interested in traveling abroad using Workaway, watch this video till the end, because right now I'm going to take you through the website. I'll show you how it works, how to get a host family, and everything that you need to know about Workaway. So if you haven't subscribed at this point, or if you haven't given this video a thumbs up at this point, please do so. It's free. Just click on that red button there, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure that your bell icon is on so that you may be notified whenever I post a video. So let's get into it, guys. So this is the website. You just need to go to your Google search and type workaway.info. When you click on that, it's going to direct you to the workaway.info site for cultural exchange. So this one is more of au pair, but it's for volunteering, where you go to volunteer, and as you know, volunteering, you don't get paid. But the good thing about a Workaway, it doesn't have like an age limit. It's not like au pair, where you have like to be 30 and below. Au pair is mostly focused on young people, but Workaway, you can be 30 and above and still travel. So when you go to, as I've told you before, when you go to this website, you'll get to see, you get to know everything about it. Like, they have put everything, as you can see here. These are people who are already in Workaway, and Workaway has a lot of people, like a lot of people. So whenever you reach out to any family that you think it's a potential host, make sure you reach out to several people, because again, there's so many of you looking forward to travel to any part of the world through Workaway. And after reaching out to the host family, some might end up not replying to you, some will reply to you and maybe say I'm sorry, we've gotten someone who is maybe better than you, and some will reply to you saying they're interested in you, like traveling to go and stay with them, so make sure that you reach out to as many host families as you can, just to increase your chances of getting a host family, because again, I've said there's so many people on this website, and so the host family that you're going to reach out to might be having like 1,000, 200, 100, depending application from different people. And again, creating a profile, it's the same way with au pair. You need to make sure that you put yourself out there, like make sure your profile is interesting, but put out what you can do, because again, you're going to volunteer in exchange of accommodation, food. Also, it's a cheap way to travel, like you travel on a budget. You don't have to worry much about like where you're going to stay, and it's pretty good, right? So when you get to Workaway, I've done a video before on how to get a host family on Workaway, but you just need to click join now. When you click that join now, you can see this join as a Workaway or join as a host, buy a gift membership. So for us, we're going to join as a Workaway. When you click on that, you'll get to see, actually with this Workaway, you need to pay for it. As I've told you, you need to pay for it, and the payment, membership payment, depends on how many of you who are planning like to travel. So we want to sign up as a couple or two friends. So if you want to like travel with your husband, with your wife, travel with your fiance, travel with your girlfriend or boyfriend, or travel with your friend, you can sign up by paying $59 per year. Okay. For me, I always say, if you're interested in something, if you really needing it to travel, and if you just you're finding ways that you can travel on a budget with no a lot of hassle, then it's worth it. It's annual. You just need to pay $59 for, and you can travel two of you, like you're good to go. Okay, so it's another way, like you and your friend, instead of like having to come here and join as different people, you can join as two friends and pay once. So, and then there's the other one. This is where you want to sign up as a single person. So if you just want to sign up as a single person, you pay $49 US dollars per year, and then get 3 months extra free before. They're just advertising, like if you pay now, you're going to get 1 year and an extra 3 months. And then there is buy membership, the perfect travel membership. So you can decide on how you want to do. And as a Workaway member, you can contact as many host families project as you like. There are more than 50,000 opportunities, unlimited travel possibility. And as you can see, Workaway is for over 100 countries, and you can decide to choose more than 3 or 4 countries that you want to travel to. Like when you're creating your profile, you can decide you can say, I want to travel to France, I want to travel to Thailand, I want to travel to whatever country that you want to. You can include more than 5. Okay, more than 5 countries, just to increase to broaden your chances. So there's a Workaway profile. Every Workaway profile read through and evaluated by our team. On average, this takes 92 minutes to offer personal feedback on a profile before it goes live on the site. So after you create your profile, it will take about 92 minutes. They will go through it so that they can allow it to be live on the site, so that if maybe even a host family want to check on you, they can. So there's also the host list application, feedback and review, 24 hours support. So what you do, you just if you decide, for example, I want to travel as a single person, you can click join now, and this is where you get to create your profile. Okay, you get to create a profile. It's very easy. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can do that by creating your profile, and then you're going to do the payment. Okay, so let's go back. I want to show you something. So let's check what happens here. Discover 50,000 plus more opportunities. So here, Workaway host list, find host organization. So here you enter country or location. Okay, you enter, and then this is where you enter where you want to go to, and they say anywhere. You can choose. You want to travel to Europe, want to travel to anywhere, Central America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe. Okay, and after you do that, you get to choose the host type, accommodation information, availability, and sorry, I'm doing screen recording. And these are the host families. Okay, as you can see, there's this one in Spain. Join our family, practice Spanish, and explore nature in Salinas, Austria's Spain. Hi, Workawayers. We are a family of 4 members, 2 adults and 2 children, aged 6 and 3, looking for intellectual exchange and help with kids. We live in a nice small town called Salinas by. Let's click on it and see more of this, what they're saying. So this is about the family, and as you can see, they have the ratings. There's 85% feedback. Last activity, so they were here on 24th. Today is on 20 what? It's actually today, 24th. When I'm recording this video. Reply rate is 100%. Average reply time within 23 days. So as you can see, you get to see all the information of the host, and if this is what you're interested in, you can go and create your profile according to how you want they want it, and you can reach out to them. You can write them an email, and yes, that's how you do it. And you can reach to as many people as you can, and that will increase your your chances of getting a host family. So these are all the information that you need to see. This is the family photos, the kids, and everything. So it's very easy to access this Workaway. And if you want to travel, if your plan is to travel, and guys, volunteering, you don't get paid. Okay, you don't get paid. You go there in exchange of something. And if you're doing something else, like maybe you're doing long distance learning, you can travel, work as you do your studies online, or as you do something else, so it's a good way of you getting to travel on a low budget. There's no like a specific age requirement, and that's it. So don't feel like it's too much for paying for this website. It's worth it, and you will get you just need to pay once a year, and you never know. So guys, that's it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that your bell icon is on so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you'd love more of this video, please leave a comment down below.